Hi, today we are going to discuss Nifty Infrastructure Index. This is one of the sectoral indices which we have, which was in a strong uptrend. Now, yesterday's price action suggests that the upside for this particular index is now chopped. If you see this index, was the previous resistance which was around 5344. Yesterday, the price was strongly rejected at these levels, and almost all the stocks in the indices have fallen down. The major stocks in these particular indices are the cement stocks. One by one, I will show you the stocks of cement. Let us start with ACC. Now, this is an ACC chart, and you can clearly see the ACC crossed the previous high, but again yesterday came down and closed below this particular previous resistance, which is also called as a fake breakout. Now, this particular level will be the resistance for this stock, and I hope so. In this expiry, it will not cross 2600. If at all you are an option trader, you can sell 2600 call so that you could benefit from the time decay, as there is a holiday on the 19th of November also. Let us look at a you can see that the volume is not that good, but now the stock has not again come back and closed below the previous resistance level. So for the cash traders, don't rush and buy these stocks now, because there will be more correction. It is more correction is expected in these stocks in coming days. Let us see the chart of a Ramco Cement. Now you can clearly see the Ramco Cement has also fallen down yesterday. So all cement stocks, let us see the stock Shri Cement. This has fallen with a large volume. So there is a more correction. One should not jump and buy these stocks. These stocks are going to correct to a large extent in coming days. So one should wait patiently and wait for a reversal candle to buy. Similarly, you can see the chart of Ultratech Cement. This has also rejected, and it has RSI of daily chart is below came below 60. So the momentum in the stock is reduced. You can also see that it crossed this particular resistance, and now it has closed below this level with a large candle, suggesting the this level 8200 is not easy to cross, and hence you can sell the 8200 call option. In this way, from the index, we can clearly see how the stocks can uh, perform, or where you should not go and buy the stocks. If you like our videos, kindly request you to subscribe our channel, hit the like button, and kindly ask the comments, or you can ask us which videos which you want, so that we could prepare the videos in that way. Thank you very much.